All right, tackling Florida's property insurance crisis, Florida leaders will be considering big things during a special legislative session next week.
Lawmakers released a formal proclamation today indicating they'll be considering a number of concerns, all in hopes of stabilizing the state's insurance market. WESH News' Megan Mulatto joins us live from our studio in Osceola County. Megan, what do the potential changes mean for homeowners?
Officials with the Insurance Information Institute say the overall goal is to stabilize Florida's insurance market. They're calling it the most unstable in the U.S. and say that rates will likely go up before they go down.
There are a lot of critical issues to be addressed in the special session next week.
Spokesperson for the Insurance Information Institute, Mark Friedlander, says Floridians are paying the highest average premium in the U.S. at more than $4,200, triple the average across the country.
We are seeing the market very unstable to the point where we've had 6 companies be declared insolvent this year.
Friedlander says one of the reasons these companies are failing is because of an excessive amount of lawsuits filed against them. He says last year alone, Florida saw about 116,000 property claim lawsuits, which he says accounts for about 80% of the U.S. total. Litigation abuse is a topic on next week's agenda, along with a discussion on assignment of benefits.
We have contractors soliciting business, particularly roof claims that are not legitimate insured loss claims, going door to door soliciting these claims, scamming homeowners into signing over the claim by assignment of benefits, and that's why assignment of benefits abuse is also a critical issue.
Other items on the agenda include creating a plan that'll provide more reinsurance to homeowners, which insurers buy for protection from major claims like hurricanes, and stabilizing the state-run Citizens Property Insurance Corporation.
Citizens is growing at a very unhealthy rate. They are on pace to be at 1.2 million policies by the end of this year. That is more than 50% larger than any private insurer writing business in Florida. So Citizens needs to be addressed as well.
Now, the big picture, Friedlander says, is creating stability in hopes of encouraging new companies to enter the market, which would lead to more options for homeowners and hopefully better prices as well. We're live in our Osceola County Bureau. Megan Mulatto, WESH 2 News.